Greetings, men and women of the auto care industry. I'm Bill Hanvey, President and CEO of the Auto Care Association. Some 2 years ago, we started on our journey together to get right to repair passed in this Congress. We started out those 2 years ago at our fall legislative summit, where we had 4 co-sponsors of the H.R. 906, the Repair Act. I'm pleased to let you know that we now have 56 bipartisan supporters of this bill. In November of last year, we passed the House Energy and Commerce Subcommittee unanimously. So we're making great progress through the work of your efforts to educate Congress on the importance of this bill. We're now at an important crossroads to get H.R. 906, the Repair Act, across the finish line. Did you know that there's over 2,000 bills in front of the House Energy and Commerce Committee right now? So we are effectively competing for headspace. So why am I addressing you today? We need your support once again to urge Congress to take action. So I am asking you today, I'm urging all of you today to take action by now urging Congress to take action. Rather than support the bill, we need Congress to move this bill along and to do the job that we have elected them to do. So what's my ask? I'm hoping it's very simple and it takes but a few minutes. Please scan the QR code at the bottom of your screen, which will send a letter to your elected representative asking them to take action and encourage the House of Representatives to move H.R. 906 along. So please scan the QR code. Send this QR to your employees and to anybody at a backyard picnic, at a party. Put your QR code up. And this will help those representatives understand how important this issue is to our $500 billion industry that employs 4.9 million employees. Take those 2 minutes that it takes to fill out the QR code information to guarantee our industry's future for generations to come. Thank you, everybody. I wouldn't ask you this if I didn't feel that it was necessary. And let's show Congress what the auto care industry is all about. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen, and I appreciate your time.